Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the optical drive, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Identify and unlatch the hard drive to remove it. Find and unlatch the optical drive. Remove the drive from the system. To reinstall the optical drive, place it back in the system and relatch it. Then relatch the hard drive. Place the front bezel and base cover on the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.